So today on X, breaking news, the company behind the Hermes Agent Knows Research just posted that Hermes Agent now has a built-in MCP catalog. So what makes this interesting, and this is something I've been sharing on X myself, is the distribution and acquisition of customers for your SaaS tools has become much easier and less of a barrier to entry if you build MCP. So let's listen to this video, and then I will touch on what an MCP is, how I've leveraged it, and then show you examples of where you can find MCPs today.
Hermes Agent presents the MCP Catalog. Hermes now ships with a built-in catalog of MCPs, every one reviewed by the news team. Just type Hermes MCP, and the menu opens right in your terminal. Pick one, hit enter, and Hermes handles the rest. It clones the code, asks for any keys it needs, and tucks them away where they belong. Seconds later, ready to use. Every entry in the catalog arrives through a merged pull request. No anonymous submissions, no surprises. What you install is exactly what news reviewed. 2 integrations ship today. First, N8N, workflow automation, connecting hundreds of services through a single bridge. And Linear, issue tracking and project management, ready the moment you sign in. Nothing to install on either side. And any custom MCPs you've already added, they show up right alongside the catalog. One unified menu for everything you've connected. That's the MCP catalog. In Hermes Agent, pick what you want, skip the setup.
A great announcement. I think that is definitely another reason as to why the Hermes Agent interface is becoming more and more powerful every day. Having a catalog where the Hermes Agent can access multiple tools or multiple software solutions without being so technical for non-technical users is the best way to encourage more people to adopt Hermes and start using it today. So what is an MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Sounds technical, but it's simple. It's basically a standard way for AI agents to connect to outside tools. But think of it like a power outlet. Before outlets were standardized, every device would need its own weird custom plug. That is basically how software APIs work today. Simplest way to think about this is imagine an AI agent is like a personal assistant. You tell it, find me a roofing company, call them, book an appointment, send me the details. Without MCP, the assistant has to figure everything out manually. It has to search Google, read website reviews, find phone numbers, maybe fill out a form, maybe call someone, maybe wait for a response. But with MCP, the assistant can connect directly to tools that already show it what it can do. So that AI agent can ask what tools are available, and your SaaS can respond, I can create a phone number, I can create an outbound call, I can receive an inbound call like AgentCall does, so I can send an SMS, or I can book an appointment, I can help you with research. That is the big shift. You're not just building software for people anymore. I think the AI agent world now is you're building software for AI agents. And if the agents understand how to use your software using MCPs, that only makes it easier for you to be discovered. One of the biggest challenges with building software today and really building any application in general is customer acquisition. Most SaaS founders are only thinking about customer acquisition in the traditional way. So SEO, cold email, paid ads, influencers, partnerships. But MCPs, I believe, are creating a new channel. You can now get discovered inside the agent ecosystem. If developers are building agents and your tool solves a real problem, your MCP becomes a distribution layer. It's almost like listing your SaaS inside a marketplace, but instead of people browsing for apps, it's agents that are discovering that capabilities. That is why I think MCPs are underrated for customer acquisition. Because if your SaaS is doing something useful, you can expose that directly to AI agents. For example, with AgentCall, the value is simple. AI agents need a way to talk to real customers. AgentCall gives them a phone number, and they can access that through an MCP. The MCP basically becomes the bridge to the real world. So this is very powerful for small SaaS founders. It's especially powerful if you truly understand and know how to leverage this new channel. And with the Hermes announcement, it's only going to get more and more standard as more of these agents, enterprises start coming up. So this is very exciting for me as well, because obviously if you've watched some of my other videos, I have a software that I built and gave an MCP. The software is AgentCall.co. And so today I'm going to show you some of the sites where AgentCall is listed as an MCP. So Smithery.ai is one of the bigger ones where a lot of MCPs are listed, and it is a great website to see what other MCPs are out there and also reference. So if we go on Smithery.ai and type in AgentCall, the first one that comes up at the very top is our SaaS. So AgentCall.co's MCP is right here, and it has 49 tools and 5 prompts. And we keep updating it and giving it updates as new releases come out. But this is our AI voice MCP. If you are on the OpenClaw instance and you want to use your OpenClaw with AgentCall, they have a website as well called clawhub.ai. And this is where all the OpenClaws basically go to pull in MCPs or software solutions that they would want to use. And so on ClawHub, if you type in AgentCall, there it is. We actually have it as well on ClawHub, and we've had about 2,000 downloads for AgentCall. If you're building software today and you're looking for the next distribution channel before everybody else jumps on it, go the MCP route, build an MCP, learn more about it, and start leveraging the distribution that's coming with it. I hope you learned something today from this video, and again, exciting times for software developers and folks who are building in the AI space. I think MCPs are going to be the best distribution channel for a lot of SaaS founders. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.